Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. If you are looking for a job at Costco, I'm going to take you through the entire process of actually getting one and applying. So let's do it. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is jump into Costco.com and then look for jobs. You can either do so or dial in Costco.com/jobs. You then need to create your profile and apply for specific positions at your desired location. Applications will remain active for 90 days. You can reapply if you don't hear back within that time frame. Now, after submitting your online application, you can visit the warehouse to meet the manager personally. This face-to-face interaction can significantly boost your chances among hundreds of other applicants. Expect either a group or a one-on-one interview focusing on teamwork, customer service skills, and even schedule availability. Some positions also may require skill testing or pre-employment drug screening. Veterans applying for part-time warehouse roles receive priority interviews, and after applying, email your regional representative to notify them of your veteran status and application. Here are some key tips to stand out. Show flexibility for nights, weekends, and early morning shifts. It may not be the best in the beginning, but it's a good way of getting in. Highlight your customer service skills and relevant experience. Apply frequently to stay visible in the hiring pool if you're struggling as a first-timer. Demonstrate reliability and a positive attitude. Some common entry-level positions include cashier, stocker, front-end assistant, food court worker, and membership assistant. Here's a bonus tip for you. Make sure that you're putting a lot of time and effort into your resume. Make sure that you are preparing enough for your interview. Even before you have an interview, make sure that you've done some prep to understand what it is that you're getting into and how you should actually handle yourself. Make sure that you look neat all the time, because first impressions go a long way. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.